Hey, it's a quick update from Adam Hill Vending. Here in the warehouse, just got in these pallets, 1, 2, 3, 4, all from Sam's Club. If you're new to the channel, the way I transport those is go to Sam's Club, load them on this truck, use this forklift to unload them onto that boat. No, I'm just kidding. Onto that forklift there, and then into the warehouse to put them away. So a couple things we're noticing from Sam's Club, which is where we get about 95% of our product is, I think because of the hurricane, they're diverting resources to that area. So now they are only allowing, starting next week, 5 cases of Coke, water, certain items. They're limiting again. So it might be due to the restrictions, the COVID and the hurricanes, not sure. But normally we would order, 70 at a time. So that's gonna be a little pinch when we can only order 5 at a time. I'm gonna explore a little, different supplier because we were doing good there for a while. Another issue, see we have a Gatorade here. These are 20-ounce Gatorade. Certain flavors of Gatorade run into a little bit of an issue, but for the most part, we're able to get some of those different multi-packs in. Quick note on that. If you're gonna put Gatorade in your machine, what I recommend is just put variety. Do a variety pack. Don't try to put just fruit punch or just lemon lime. Just put on the machine, Gatorade is variety flavor. That's the way I would recommend doing it. It's just simpler, provides a variety. Most people do not have a problem with it. So, trying to think of what else here is happening in the vending world. Gonna do a live stream here soon. But if you need help with your vending business, want to know how to grow or start, hillvending.teachable.com or the ebook, click any of them, get started. I've been doing this 7 years, so just trying to share on the YouTube about how to make money with vending machines. Hope you guys have a great day. Until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.